Hello, and welcome to LSET Tech Bytes. In this video, we will show you how to create a Java project using Eclipse IDE. The first step in creating a new Eclipse project is to open the application and click on File, New, Project. Projects in Java can be found here. Create your project by naming it and selecting the default execution environment. Then click Next and click Finish to complete the process. As a result, we have successfully created a Java project. Here we will create a new class, enter the package and class name, and then click on the Finish button. Now let's declare the main method, which is the entry point of the Java program. As a result, the print statement to line prints, "Hello world," to the console. Let's run this code and see what happens. Here it is running perfectly. Thank you for watching. And until next time, happy coding.